Unit 7, Part A, Activity 4A. Listen to Kanya, Viesna and Ming talking about their trips to Mundalgiri and Ratanagiri. Who did each activity?
My name is Kanya. I went to Mundalgiri at Pshumban last year with my family. We stayed at a lovely guest house in the mountains. We did a lot of things. First, we went to the waterfall and took some nice photos. After that, we went on a short trek in the mountains and saw some local animals. And finally, we climbed a mountain to see the sunset and the views of the forest.
Hello, I'm Visna. My brother and I visited the Putang ethnic village last month. It was amazing. Firstly, we talked to the local people and they told us about their life and their culture. Then, we had a short lesson and they taught us how to say some common phrases in their language, which is called Phnom. Afterwards, they cooked dinner and showed us how to prepare some local food. Lastly, they showed us how they make the colorful clothes that they wear.
Hi, I'm Maine. I went on a short camping trip to Yetlaum Lake in Ratanagiri. It was really nice. First, I got up at sunrise and went for an early morning swim. The water was cold, but it felt very fresh and nice. Next, I took some photos of the fishing birds that you can see on the water there. Lastly, I bought some souvenirs that are made by the local people to give to my friends and family.